Are you a Binance user worried about account suspension? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but don't fret. Binance, like other cryptocurrency exchanges, may suspend accounts for various reasons. Today, we're going to explore common mistakes that can lead to Binance account suspension and provide solutions to get your account back on track. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about why Binance might suspend your account. There are several reasons, and knowing them can help you avoid trouble. Reason number 1, security concerns. Suspicious login attempts, potential hacking, or unauthorized access can trigger a suspension. Binance takes security very seriously. Number 2, compliance with regulations. Binance has strict anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. Violating these can get your account suspended. Reason number 3, illegal activities. If your account is linked to fraudulent activities, phishing, or other illegal actions, expect a suspension. Number 4, violation of terms. Using the platform for unauthorized purposes or breaching Binance's terms and conditions can also lead to suspension. Finally, number 5, inactive accounts. If your account has no activity or login for an extended period, it might get suspended. Now let's look at how to unsuspend your Binance account if you find yourself in this situation. First, verify your account information and identity. Make sure all your account details are accurate and up to date. This is crucial for proving your legitimacy. Second, provide additional documentation or proof of address. Submit any required documents to verify your identity and address. This step is often necessary to comply with KYC regulations. Third, change your password and enable 2FA. Strengthen your account security by setting a new password and enabling two-factor authentication. This helps protect against unauthorized access. Fourth, confirm your account activity and intentions. Clarify how you use your account and your intentions to avoid any misunderstandings. This can reassure Binance of your compliance. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to avoid account suspension in the first place. Follow Binance's guidelines and regulations. Always stay informed about the platform's rules and make sure you're in compliance. Keep your account information and security up to date. Regularly update your account details and ensure your security settings are robust. Monitor your account activity regularly. Keeping an eye on your transactions and logins can help you spot any suspicious activity early. Comply with AML and KYC regulations. These rules are in place for a reason. Adhering to them can save you a lot of hassle. By being aware of these common mistakes and taking proactive steps, you can minimize the risk of Binance account suspension. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechZnap for more tech and business insights. Thanks for tuning in. Stay secure and happy trading.